Talofa everyone, and welcome to another episode of Kuka, Tastes of Beautiful Samoa. Well, our food journey has brought us to Lotofa, which is a hotspot for local sport, as well as some of Samoa's most beautiful local dishes.
Yes, we've been watching the rugby games. It's half time now, so we're going to be heading over to Marion's to get some Vaisalo, a nice, delicious Samoan breakfast.
All right. Yeah, man. Okay, so Vaisalo is one of those Samoan staples at breakfast. It's a really simple dish made out of the flesh and juice of young coconut as well as manioka.
So forget about your bagels and your coffee, because in Samoa, Vaisalo is the perfect breakfast on the go. Let's go check it out.
So here we've got a lot of different staples for breakfast. We've got things like kokoa raisa, got kokoesi, supoesi, suafai, but the one we're after here is the Vaisalo. Thank you very much. Vaisalo really is the ultimate food on the go. I mean, this is the kind of thing you grab if you're going out the other side of the island, or if you've got an early morning ferry. You know, people crowded in a van, they're all going to be drinking something like Vaisalo.
And it's very simple to make. Only thing you need is new, and of course some masoa extract from manioka, and a little bit of lemon leaf or laumoli. That brings it all together.
Okay, so we are here with Elena and Sangele, and they are going to be helping us make our Vaisalo this afternoon. So Elena, can you tell us the ingredients that go into your Vaisalo? Whaamole lava.
Waiai ngiu mamaka, ole a lava, e mai whaonga e mau waile, le a ango le ole ngiu, whaonga e malisaito, e whaavela whakas. Ia onga mau wailola ia le ole Vaisalo Samoa.
Kasi Oleh suala lea le fayam sa ai kongua.
Awale so onga sawa lo limba, wa sawa lo limba ia walu foi malalo le mele ole ya kini ole ipule. Ya kangola ia le sa faafetai.
I think I can do that. Yeah,
okay.
Nice. Okay.
Do you know what, Hughie? Back in the day, this was considered to be the meal the husband has to give the wife just after giving birth, or while pregnant. The husband has to go climb the tree, get some news, and make the Vaisalo.
Okay, I like it. That's cool. So have you had to climb a few trees, or?
Yeah. Okay. It's true what they say. The coconut is the tree of life. Literally everything is on you. If you don't have a lava, you can always use a blender. Manatua, you always have to have clean hands before you touch the lava or making Vaisalo. Hey.
Yes.
And when it's looking really good, then we go on to our next step. I've got a little more work to do here. Okay, so now we've got that mashed up coconut, that alu, and we've got the coconut water combined, and it's on the heat. And we're going to add our saiko, or in English, sago.
Another traditional ingredient, if you don't have sago, is the masoa, which is from the manioka or cassava.
Okay, so now we put a little water with our sago or our saiko, and we're going to put it into this mixture. There we go. And just getting all of that in there. So as we know, the coconut is filled with really good electrolytes. In fact, it's actually the closest thing to human blood, and you can use it as an IV. And a lot of people used to do that back in the day if they needed to actually use an IV, but they didn't have anything around. We'll make sure that we don't get this stuck to the bottom of the pot. Make sure it keeps stirring. Get all these really nice ingredients all mixed together.
While Hughie's stirring up some trouble over there, I'll be scraping the leftover news. Say mafa umama, ma auntie, mai mawa.
Mai mau lo ma lo singo pe ai ngol ngiu.
What? Ola ngiu mai pe.
Ngiu la le. Pe ai ngol pe fa ai ko mai ngiu e. E Vaisalo.
Wa mai udo. Kai vela e.
Vela le ya.
Maro Hughie.
Ole a fa ngale popo.
So everything we've been cooking with today is from the coconut palm, even what we're using to serve it in today. Let's try it out.
Pusa I dei do ai pe mau I se manga ruenga ko fra inga.
I vengo Vaisalo.
Vengo Vaisalo. E ala a si ko fa la pe manga ia de.
Ia, go for.
Ready?
Ko pe manga ia Vaisalo.
All right, let's try it.
Oh, be careful. It's hot. Oh wow.
Oh man,
Brother. You did well.
that's it right there. Really nice, really delicious, just nice and sweet, hot, and full of flavor.
Yeah, auntie. E manga il Vaisalo.
We are yummy, ya. Yummy Vaisalo. Yummy Vaisalo Samoa.
Mga ia le ko o ile suava ia. Palengi le sai ko malangiu.
And there you have it. Here is the beautiful Vaisalo, made especially with our friends from the St. Therese Resort. Beautiful flavor, just full of coconutty goodness. That sago is fantastic, the manioka. The whole thing is just delicious. I can see why we have it as a breakfast food here in Samoa, or for us, how we finish off our day.
Hopefully you enjoyed today's adventure. Until next time, this is Kuka, Taste of Beautiful Samoa. Auntie, o vera ngi uringa e?
Alea, you le pe ai lua.
Wow.
Ko ni mai ka kong you fa ka ko Vaisalo ngi.
Mai e fa.
You mai fa. Kasi ro ko fa ai ho pe ala pe fa.
Hola. Pa Spider-Man ai loa.